Here's the interaction of two of my babies. Hi guys! Gracie and her little knee walk. Say hi, Nikki. Oh, he doesn't like being on the camera. Gracie, on the other hand, loves it. Hi! Haha! Yeah? Come here, brother. Gracie and her knee walk. Oh, wow. Hi. Look at those deep blue eyes. Okay, I'm going to go say hi to Nikki again. Oh, he came. Deep blue eyes as well. Hi. Say boo. Give a kiss. Okay. Kisses. Say mwah. Okay, say bye-bye. Bye. Gracie. Say bye. Bye-bye. Okay, we're done.